Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. In today's video, we are going to show you the all-new 2019 BMW X2. But before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, on to the video. This is a new name and an additional model to the BMW range, without a direct predecessor. Even so, it's hard to imagine a new arrival that needs less explaining than the X2. It's a lower, sleeker, sportier, and slightly less roomy counterpart to the BMW X1. You know, like the X4 to the X3 or the X6 to the X5. It's not just surfacings that's new. The wheel arches have gone a little Countach on us. The absence of a window behind the rear door leaves space for a wide pillar punctuated by a BMW badge. At the back, an outer plastic skin on the tailgates allows its surface to be flush with the bumper. Insurance companies don't like vulnerable steel to come out of flush. The tail lamps have a new-to-BMW bordering crease. Inside, you can have plain cloth or leather, or go all rucksack with mesh fabrics, suit inserts, and contrast stitching. As it's based on the X1, this means BMW's trend-first engine platform. All very familiar stuff, mostly 4-cylinder engines, some all-wheel drive but front-wheel drive for the base car. The dashboard is a model of clarity and lush materials. Situation BMW normal. The standard infotainment has all you need, including detailed live traffic and connected services. It's now touch sensitive, but the iDrive hardware controller remains the best in the business, and that's how we tend to make our inputs. The top-ender has a bigger screen. Want Apple CarPlay? You have to pay extra. But when you do the integration, it's brilliant. It even works over Bluetooth if you're wire averse.